my name's Ola and welcome back to Tune In Tuesday. Today's video is going to take a deeper look into what TECNIcart is. But before we start, like usual, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all of our socials to keep up to date with Mustang Marketing. TECNIcart is a completely new and exclusive technology. It's used for creating product samples from flooring to beauty products. TECNIcart pretty much provides samples for all sectors. Now, TECNIcart is a graphic printing process which uses 3D printing techniques and can therefore produce any texture, colour and even scent. This allows samples to be printed onto paper but without losing any of the quality of the texture or the colour. This creates a 100% exact replica of the product, which means that some of the downfalls of traditional samples can be eliminated. For example, flooring. So the traditional samples that are used are usually quite large and can be quite heavy. Not only does it make it difficult for people to transport and display the samples, but also for customers to take them home and try them. And customers are usually only allowed to take about 2 to 3 samples at a time. However, with TECNIcart, the whole collection of flooring can be produced into one catalogue or production of your choice. This makes it way more easier to transport the samples as they're lightweight and compact. Not to mention that without using all the original material, the savings are huge. It's 2020 and traditional samples are starting to look a little bit dated, as it's usually material superglued to a board. This just seems so prehistoric for the time that we're in and for the technology that we have available. By combining TECNIcart's technology with expertise graphic design knowledge, we'll provide clients with so much more than just a sample booklet. The visual options are endless, allowing your company to be represented with the most precision and detail. Another great aspect about TECNIcart is that they are a fully working green company, which is something to be extremely proud of. This means that the day-to-day activity of all of their staff has a minimal effect on the environment. For this to happen, the company has developed processes reducing the ecological offering of their contribution. They offer a range of green products to help their clients to also be aware of their environmental impact. And to take a step even further, TECNIcart only work with suppliers who offer the same ecological conservation production as them. With thanks to TECNIcart's benefits, many companies all over the world are saving money while providing their customers with a stylish, informative and well-presented, lightweight sample, helping their businesses to stand out from their competitors. To find out more about TECNIcart today, their website will be in the description below. Make sure to follow their socials and their YouTube account or email them at info@technicart.co.uk. Next week, I'm going to be joined by Heather from TECNIcart for a Q&A video. So if there's any questions that you'd like me to ask Heather, comment them down below or watch out for our Instagram stories where you can send them there. Thank you so much for watching another Tune In Tuesday and I'll see you next week.